Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You need admin rights and the recovery key. Keep power connected. First, open Control Panel and go to Bitlocker Drive Encryption, or use Settings if Device Encryption appears. Once there, identify the drive protected by Bitlocker. Click Manage Bitlocker for that specific volume and choose to turn off Bitlocker. You're starting decryption now, so make sure no heavy tasks run. Decryption writes directly to disk. If prompted, confirm with your admin credentials and note the estimated time before proceeding. Once you confirm turn off Bitlocker, Windows begins decrypting the drive. This removes protection but keeps data intact. You'll see a progress indicator. Monitor it until 100%. The time depends on disk size and speed, so be patient and avoid interrupting power. If using an HP with pre-installed encryption, check HP Security Manager 2 and make sure no firmware processes block writes. If prompted to restart, allow it immediately. Windows will resume decryption after reboot, maintaining continuity. When decryption reaches 100%, confirm that Bitlocker status is off in Control Panel. You can now remove saved keys from your Microsoft account if desired. If decryption fails or stalls, use your recovery key to unlock the drive and run the turn off Bitlocker step again. Sometimes a resume after unlocking completes the process. If errors persist, check Event Viewer for disk or TPM warnings, update HP firmware and Windows, and then retry. Those updates often resolve driver or firmware conflicts that.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.